Welcome to the REAP Conservation Education Program video tutorial of the components of the grant application. This video will highlight the SlideRoom Online Grant Section 6, Transferability and Sustainability. REAP may invest in your project, and we want to know what is going to be in the future for your project. Can it be transferred to other entities? Will the project continue without additional REAP investments? Can others learn from your successes and challenges? And if you have a vision for the phases or returning for future projects, include that vision in your application. Each one of the questions will be able to help guide the board through reviewing your application and understanding the investments and the project and where it will go into the future. There is a section to summarize your past grants, and it is just a summary. You don't get more or less points for having or not having past grants. It's just a knowledge piece for the board without having to look up all the history. And then ultimately, as you're going through each one of the questions for us, they're looking to ensure that you have done your homework, to ensure you are not duplicating a project that's already been done or overstepping your local jurisdiction for a topic. And then, how to be able to promote the project is also important. And that will be some of the questions that they have in there. So for each one of our questions, fill out the information. The lower right-hand corner will show you how many characters you've used. The system will automatically save every once in a while, but you can always choose save and exit to come back to an item as you've worked on it. Additionally, as you have questions and go along the way, please reach out. We're here to help and assist.